Is Haven Beck a scam or just misunderstood? Let's break it down in 2 minutes. If you've shopped online, you know the thrill and the risk. Haven Beck looks sharp, with a slick website and trendy ads. But dig a little deeper, and the warning signs start stacking up. First big red flag? Location. The site claims a New York address, but most buyers say their packages come from China. That's not just a shipping issue, it's about trust. Speaking of shipping, get ready to wait. Some customers have reported delivery times of over 6 weeks. That's a long time to wonder if your order even exists. Now, about those products. Shoes that arrive 2 sizes off? Jackets that look nothing like the photos? That's a common complaint. And it gets worse. Some of the photos in their ads are flagged as AI generated. So what you see may not even be real. Let's talk about returns. Their policy says you've got 30 days, but there's a catch. You're responsible for shipping your item back overseas. For most, return costs wipe out any refund. So, what should you do if you're tempted to buy? Here's my quick safety checklist. 1. Double-check the URL. Watch for scammy copycats. 2. Always use protected payment methods like PayPal or a credit card. You'll need that backup if things go south. 3. If the address seems sketchy, Google it. Some reviewers say it's just a mail drop, not a real store. And here's a pro tip. If you're after quality technical gear, you might be looking for the Haven shop in Canada. Totally different and way more reliable. Bottom line, Haven Beck might look legit, but the risks are real. Stay smart, shop safe, and always do a quick check before you click